In this video, we're going to go over who exactly this course is for. We're going to go over here specifically, who this course is going to be the best suited for, who this is going to be, best for as far as getting the most out of this particular lesson here. And ultimately, regardless of your experience, you're going to be able to get quite a bit from this course, whether you are somebody who's a beginner and has no prior knowledge or experience. You're probably going to learn the most from this course, right? And this is really what's really going to allow you to get you a full understanding of Excel from A to Z versus somebody who also has a little bit of experience, maybe is a little bit more intermediate. You're also going to be able to learn quite a bit in this course, but really this course is for all levels. Anyone who is looking to learn Excel from scratch from A to Z, or somebody who already has some experience and wants to take their game to the next level. So let's go ahead and jump into who this course is for. And so essentially, this course is for students and working professionals that want to learn Excel and become an expert with the program. And so just like I mentioned, whether or not you have some experience or you're a total newbie, you're going to be able to benefit from this course and be able to come away from this course as a full-blown expert with the program. If you're an Excel beginner or even intermediate and want to learn Excel, then this course is the perfect place for you to start, right? Because we take you from A to Z in terms of Excel as a beginner, learning how to actually even start the program up, what all the functions do, to being able to create several different complex formulas using different tips, different shortcuts that are going to make you a complete total expert with Excel. So this course is going to allow you to be able to hone in on your skills if you already have some experience, or go from a complete beginner to an expert if you're just starting out. And this course not only walks you through Excel from A to Z, but we also show you how to land a job and get started with freelancing. I'm sure if you've seen all the other courses out there that you've taken, probably in the past in terms of Excel or whatever the topic may be, very few of them will actually show you and walk you through how to get a job, how to land a job in the marketplace, and then also how to get started with freelancing and client consulting, because they're just teaching you how to hone in on the skills. But we take this a step further and show you how to be able to build a career, right? Get your career started after you develop these skills. Because if you have a skill set but nobody knows about you, nobody knows what you're capable of, and you're just pretty much not getting your name out there, then how are you going to be able to leverage these skills and be able to profit and benefit from them? So we show you exactly how to do that. And like I mentioned, whether you're a total newbie with no prior knowledge or experience, or if you already have some intermediate experience, this course blends practical work with solid theoretical training and takes you from the basics of Microsoft Excel all the way through to mastery. So regardless of where you're coming from or what your experience level is, you're going to be able to benefit from this course and be able to ultimately land a job or get started freelancing. So we're excited for you to get started here, and we'll see you on the next one.